If you've been wondering how to enable the right sidebar in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact settings you need to turn it on so you can keep your tools, shortcuts, and sidebar features visible all the time. This is a simple change, but it can make browsing a lot more convenient if you like having quick access to your favorite Edge features. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dot menu. This opens the main Edge settings menu where you can control browser appearance, privacy, and other features. From the menu, click Settings. This will take you into the full settings page for Microsoft Edge. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. What you want to do now is go to Appearance. The Appearance section is where Edge lets you customize how the browser looks and behaves. Inside Appearance, look for the Sidebar option. This is the setting that controls whether the right sidebar is shown or hidden. If it's currently turned off or set to only appear in certain situations, you'll want to change that. Now toggle the sidebar setting to Always On. This tells Microsoft Edge to keep the right sidebar visible instead of hiding it automatically. Once you switch it on, you should immediately see the sidebar appear on the right side of the browser window. At this point, the setup is done. Your right sidebar in Microsoft Edge is now enabled and ready to use. You can keep it open for quick access to tools and features whenever you browse. If you don't see the sidebar right away, make sure you've selected the correct appearance setting and that the toggle is fully turned on. Sometimes a quick refresh of the browser can also help apply the change properly. And that's it. You now know how to enable the right sidebar in Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. It's fast, simple, and perfect if you want a more efficient browsing experience. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.